Hello everybody, how have you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your messenger call not opening on your screen. Alright, so let's say somebody calls you in messenger and you can't just receive the call. Alright, you don't even hear the call. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix it. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, you gotta check your network connection, cause due to slow internet as well, you might not receive the call. But even if you receive it, you might not get the notification or get it on your screen. So check your internet. If it is fast, the other thing could be you have not updated your messenger for a long time. So you can just go on Play Store, and if you're using iPhone, you can go in your App Store and search for Messenger. If it says update over here, you gotta click on update to update it. But if it says open instead of update, that means your Messenger is up to date. In my case, my Messenger is not up to date, that's why it's showing me this. I gotta click on it to update it, but I'm gonna do it later because if I start updating my Messenger right now, I can't show you the second step. But even after updating your Messenger, if it's still not fixed, you can hold on your Messenger icon, click on app info. Now once you go on app info, what you want to do is go on storage, click on clear cache, go back and go on now versus permissions, and make sure all the permission is turned on, and make sure you have turned on your microphone, phone and SMS permission on. Make sure these three are turned on, but I would suggest you to turn all of this on and it should work. If it still not work, what you can do is go on storage again and this time clear data and click on OK. What this is going to do is this is going to clear all the data of Messenger, and your Messenger should be brand new. And the next time you open Messenger, you have to relog in into your account again, but after you do that, it should be working. If it's still not working, just delete your Messenger, reinstall it again. Sometimes just deleting and reinstalling a Messenger resets everything in your Messenger, and it should be brand new and it should be working as well. So these are all the methods you guys can give it a try, and you can receive Messenger calls after doing this. So hope you guys understand. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll be seeing you guys on my future video. Stay safe. Bye bye.